wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best electrician gloves. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Thanks to their flexibility and fit, you'll feel comfortable and confident when you slip on the Youngstown Carpenter Plus. The cut finger design allows for adequate dexterity, while the reinforcement on the palm enhances grip. These have a cloth on the top for wiping away sweat and are good for holding nails and nuts. However, they can wear out with extensive use. At number 9, made with a spandex back, the handylandy reflective are supple enough to help you handle light-duty jobs and breathable enough to stop excess perspiration. They also have touchscreen-friendly fingertips, so you can use your smartphone without having to remove them. These come in a high-visibility yellow and orange with a clip for keeping them together, but note that they're not cut or water-resistant. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Although the etcbuys LED are not designed to provide anything in the way of protection, they can be handy for any professionals working in low-light environments. Equipped with LEDs on each hand, they make it simple to see what you're doing in tight spots. They're made of a breathable fabric with a hook and loop strap. However, the battery compartment is bulky. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electrician gloves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the echodo insulating feel very thick, which means they're better for handling large cables than for delicate tasks. Made of natural rubber, they do emit a smell when new, but can supposedly protect you when working with up to 4.5 kilovolts. They come in at a budget-friendly price with long protective cuffs, but they're not approved by any testing body. Moving up our list to number 6. For a fairly heavy-duty option, the Go Gloves Endurance feel like a second layer of skin rather than a bulky article of apparel. You should be able to wear them for lots of tough jobs before they begin showing signs of wear and tear. These are treated to repel water and oil and keep your hands reliably cool. It's easy to grasp small items with them. Halfway up our list at number 5. When you switch from heavy-duty tasks to lighter jobs, slip on a pair of the Ansell hyflex 11-800. You'll enjoy a dependable grip on just about any handheld tool, and the comfortable liner is designed to help minimize fatigue. These are ideal for handling oily parts, and the special coating resists snags. They're safe for the washing machine. At number 4, available in 6 sizes, the Youngstown Performance should fit everyone in your shop, from the journeyman with giant hands to the teenager you brought on board for summer help. They can also withstand exposure to flames and extreme heat. These are made from goatskin leather and won't shrink or crack. However, the wrists feel too loose for some. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the National Safety Apparel Class 0 kit arrives with rubber insulating gloves, leather protectors that go over them, and a handy bag for storage. The bag ensures that you can always find everything and that nothing gets damaged when not in use. These are stamped with a test date and are available in 3 colors. They're offered in sizes 8 to 12. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electrician gloves, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, a nice value for the protection they provide, the superior Endura goatskin aligned with Kevlar and are arc flash rated to level 3, and unlike many, they provide a comfortably snug fit at the wrist that's not too tight or constricting. These deliver good abrasion resistance and come in sizes up to XXL with a flexible keystone thumb. And taking the top spot on our list, an insulating model that provide protection from nicks and cuts. The Magid straight cuff have a contoured shape to minimize chafing. They fit securely, yet they're easy enough to slide on and off quickly if you're in a hurry. There are many sizes to choose from, and they're made from puncture-resistant rubber. These are suitable for lineman work. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for electrician gloves, or simply click beneath this video.